to your destination.
Okay, so this is Bheemana Kindi. 2 years back I had come here. So this is the second visit. So this is the parking lot. Okay. So there is a small scenic drive this road. So you need to come this road. Yeah, so you can hear peacocks actually. Right. And then there's a small temple. And this is a route which you have to follow. You just follow the electric pole and then you should be reaching on top. And that's the peak on top. Okay. So that's the temple. And then of course just follow this pole and then we'll be able to go on top. It's more like a bit of Makadi Durga type, but a smaller one. So there are a lot of peacocks here. So just keep following the path, and in case you get confused, electric poles are there, so just follow that. On top there is a Bhimeshwara temple. So keep continuing. Path keeps winding up like this. Finally reach about 3,500. So that's where the parking is. So we already come halfway up. Okay, look at the scenery on top. So beautiful already. A lot of greenery, farm fields. So we keep climbing right on top. You have to go all the way there. So just keep following the path. So beautiful on top. Hey, some rest out rapa, barli. Ali salva freshers idare barli mere. So we are going on top, and then that's where we are supposed to go. So the scenery on top is beautiful. So let's keep climbing. So as I said, if you have path is marked, you will not find arrow marks. But you have a problem, just follow the electric pole. That takes you to that peak. So that is the actual destination, and some people come here as well. Okay, then you have to walk all the way here. It's a little dicey, but people do it here. So this is one part, but that's the main place where you're supposed to go. There's one viewpoint here, then we have to go that side. So we are approaching almost there. You can see that's a peak, and that's the arch, and there you can see some flag there. Some people go like that there. We've come now already to this arch. So this is the arch where the main temple is, Bhimeshwara temple. So this is the arch, the main place. A lot of monkeys. So you can see the arch. This is the Bheemana Kindi arch, and there's a temple here. Second time I've come here. I came here long back, 2 years back exactly. So that's a Bhimeshwara temple. So this is the arch. So this is the arch again once more. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಅದೇ 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹಾಂ. ಇದೇ ಮೇಯ್ನು.